Is your Photoshop outdated or missing new features? I'll show you how to update Photoshop to the latest version using Adobe Creative Cloud. First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer. If you're not signed in, log in using your Adobe account. Click on Apps or All Apps to view your installed software. If you see an Update button, click it to start updating Photoshop to the latest version. If the button says Open, that means Photoshop is already up to date. If you don't see Photoshop there, go to the Updates section and check for available updates. If Creative Cloud asks which version to install, choose the latest version and continue. Wait for the download and installation to finish, and make sure Creative Cloud stays open during the process. When the update is complete, click Open to launch Photoshop. To confirm the update, go to Help, then About Photoshop, and check the version number. If you don't see an update option, try restarting Creative Cloud, signing out and back in, or restarting your computer. And that's it. Your Photoshop is now updated to the latest version.